In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a personal portfolio using Canva. Whether you're a student, a designer, or a professional looking to showcase your work, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that makes creating a stunning portfolio a breeze. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to sign up for free. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point for any new project on Canva. Next, in the search bar that appears, type in the word Portfolio. Canva will present you with a variety of options tailored to portfolio creation. You can choose from existing templates or start from scratch if you're feeling creative. For this tutorial, let's focus on using one of Canva's ready-made templates to speed up the process. Once you've entered Portfolio into the search bar, you'll see a list of sizes and formats. Consider what works best for your needs. Are you planning to print this portfolio or will you keep it digital? Your choice here will depend on your final presentation goals. Select the size that suits your needs by clicking on it. Now, it's time to let your creativity shine. As the template loads, browse through the available designs. Canva offers a wide range of templates from minimalist styles to more elaborate layouts. Find a template that resonates with your vision and the work you're showcasing. Keep in mind that each element in the template is customizable, so you can tailor it to fit your personal brand. With your chosen template open, begin customizing. Click on any text box to edit the text, change fonts, or adjust colors. You can also drag and drop images, replace them with your own, or use Canva's extensive image library. The key here is to ensure that your portfolio reflects your unique style and showcases your work effectively. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's time to share it with the world. Head to the top right corner of the Canva interface where you'll find the Share button. Click on it and you'll see several options for downloading or sharing your portfolio. Choose the format that suits your needs, whether it's a PDF for printing or a digital file to email or upload online. And there you have it. You've successfully created a personal portfolio using Canva. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of your work and creativity, so take your time to perfect it. With Canva's intuitive tools and versatile templates, you can easily update or expand your portfolio as your career grows. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.